Welcome to Teach Tech channel. Myself Karthik TS. Today I am going to explain about Python programming language for beginners. Let us start the session. In today's session, I am going to explain about the introduction of Python and how to install the Python. Let us have an introduction about the Python. Python is a programming language created in the year 1991 by a Dutch programmer called Guido van Rossum. Python used for what? For Python is used? Python is used for performing mathematical calculations. The interface of the Python programming language looks like a calculator, hence you can perform the mathematical calculation. It is used to program the server to interact with the server. Python is used for creating the softwares. What Python can support? Python supports web development. It supports interaction with the database systems to store and retrieve data. It supports handling big data for various organizations. It provides a solution for complex mathematical problems. It also provides a solution for various software development problems. Why to choose Python? The Python has to be chosen because of the following. A Python is a platform independent. It works on different operating systems like Windows, Linux, and many more operating systems. The syntax of Python programming language is very simple, easy to understand, and easy to learn. The Python programming language allows a user to write a lesser lines of code. A Python is an interpreter software. It allows a user to interact through the commands. Python programming language supports many more features like procedures, function, classes, and objects. How Python is different from other programming languages? The Python combines the feature of the language English with the mathematics. The Python is a CUI based application, that is command based or character based application software. It allows a user to interact through the commands. Python avoids flower brackets, semicolon, and many more concepts. Python concentrates more on indentation of a program. Let us learn how to install the Python software into your system for different operating systems. So let us learn how to install the Python software into your system. You can click on the link. It will take you to the website of Python. You can go for selecting the download option. Here, Python can be downloaded for Windows version. The same way you can also download for the Linux version and many more other types of operating system. To check the existence of Python in your Windows system, open Windows R, type the command cmd. You can see command prompt. Type the command python -version and press enter. In case in your system, if Python is already installed, you can see the Python with the version. And the latest version we are using at present is 3.9.7 during the making of this video. The same way you can check the existence of Python in your Linux or Mac system. Open the terminal, type the command python -version to see the existence of Python in your system. Thank you viewers for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe and activate bell icon for latest updates.